Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to save GitHub repositories. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, in case you have liked a repository of someone or you have like preferred the projects of someone and you wanted to save their project. And basically to do that, you have only two options. Either you can start the project so you can access it, or you can simply fork it and you can start working on the copy of your own project. So simply you can go to the repositories that you have liked. For example, I'm just going to choose this one. And basically, here we have the watch, forks, and start. Stars is like saving a repository and then you can access it afterwards so you can find it. It's like a bookmark. So basically, I'm just going to start this one, and as you can see, you can add it to your list. You can have your own list. Let's go for inspiration. And basically, now you will be needing just to go to your stars, and as you can see, those are your stars. And here you will find all the projects that you have started. And by that, you are able to save your repositories. Another way to do it is by simply going to the the project or the repo and then fork it. That would create a copy of this repository into your repositories and you can start working on that repository. So we can simply create a fork, create a new fork, and here as you can see it will take the name of the repository, but you are the owner and you can leave this description or whatever, and as you can see copy the master branch only, create a fork, and now we will start having it into our repositories. I think I have interrupted the process, but no. Here is our repository that we have created, and we are the owner. Now you can start working on this project from your local computer. So thank you for watching and see you next time.